Don't You See That Train by the Delmore Brothers, done by yours truly, Oldtimer. Hope you like it.
Sweetie mine, I hate to see you go out into the cruel world alone. See that bell on that train, see that whistle blow. She's taking you and leaving me to mourn. Don't you see that train, dee-dee-dee? See that train, hey, hey. She's leaving on that train. Don't you see that train, dee-dee-dee? See that train, hey, hey. And I'll never see my sweetheart again. I know, well I know I did not treat her right. That is why I'm feeling sad and blue. Whoa, whoa, woe is me, I'm left alone tonight. She's gone away and I still love her too. Don't you see that train, dee-dee-dee? See that train, hey, hey. She's leaving on that train. Don't you see that train, dee-dee-dee? See that train, hey, hey. And I'll never see my sweetheart again. Hey, hey, what a day, it's left me like a rag. I don't know what I'll do, I feel so bad. I think I'll take a drink or two to drive these blues away. 'Cause if I don't, I'll die because I'm sad. Don't you see that train, dee-dee-dee? See that train, hey, hey. She's leaving on that train. Don't you see that train, dee-dee-dee? See that train, hey, hey. And I'll never see my sweetheart again. I'll never see my sweetheart again. No, I'll never see my sweetheart again.